Whoa. Why are you sleeping, buddy?
Cause this one's awake.
Why are you sleeping? Josh? It's not answering.
Anybody home?
Mattress King here.
We're here to talk about your extended warranty.
I get a call every day, dude. Now it just says spam risk. I'm like, thank you, because you have an orange. I'm like,
Look,
like
my customers be calling, and they'd be like, scam risk. I answer, and they'd be like, can I talk to you about? So, guys, we shot a video yesterday, and on our fault, the camera had issues, so all that content gone. So we're going to shoot another one today. We are installing...
Tire shine.
No, not tire shine.
John B.
Yeah.
You guys probably think it's a fuel pressure regulator or something.
That's what it looks like. Is that how...
It's a pressure regulator, all right.
If I put this on my valve cover, will it? Oh.
We did breathe.
So we are going to install Jace's new and about 5-month wait blow-off valve.
8 week backwards.
That's tough. You just cutting like that.
So Jace already took the clamp loose, pulled it off the pipe. Of course, Pro Charger.
Here you go, Josh.
Pre-made pipe. Now Jace is over here making some ugly cuts.
Break yourself, fool! Oh, it just goes on like, oh, okay, yeah. I was
Just
wondering.
twist on.
No.
Like, not twist on, but you know what I'm saying? Like, turn it.
It's kinda,
No, you just kind of call it. Just twist it. No.
Y'all know what y'all doing.
Watch this.
Zip tie! Ooh, what's on that sticky? Alright.
Alright, let's check this
What'd
out.
you use to...
Let's man use this.
Really? Oh, toe!
So,
It should be a...
yeah. It's small.
Oh, I forgot.
come on, Carlito. It wasn't even turned on. You ain't bring no food? I go
You
take.
told me you didn't need me to bring you any food, that you had 2 legs and could get your own.
Look here, Sharkeesa.
It no work.
No, Sharky.
That ain't gonna fit.
She was...
I've never been told that.
Talk sweet to it.
Eat it.
So we have to do a little modification.
Yeah.
I'm sure we have something laying around in here from one of our past projects.
Did
See,
you wrap it right?
Houdini.
Nope. Still no rubby. So we're going to find something to make it work. So, what's the plan?
We're going to the pot stove.
Yeah. They didn't send him anything besides the blow valve, so we're going to have to make something.
To fit this correctly.
Yeah.
So I no leaks.
Because that right there is like an inch, maybe. And then that is about 2 inch and a half maybe. So we're going to come up with something to make it work. Instead of having to chop his pipe and rebuild it all. Because we don't have time for that. Somebody's going to do a burnout tomorrow.
Sunday.
Or Sunday. Well, yeah, we definitely don't have no time anyways. Dang. Man, I can't remember what day it is.
I know. Eat it.
Shut up, boy.
Got in it.
So how'd you hit the deer?
The deer took me out of my truck and took the truck into the field. I didn't hit the deer in the field. The deer was injured, stole my truck, and ended up in the field.
So that's your story. It's
He bled out in the field there.
So there you go, guys. That's Jason's story of how he gets rid of the ego boost whenever he actually finds a deer that will run out in front of him.
Man, we just hit this pole right here.
Now we ain't checking no pole.
Pole check.
This is what I deal with.
Come on, Carlito. It wasn't even turned on. Wee. Oh, but not. Wee. Oh, let's get this light.
Oh, we done it.
And we in it, big.
The insurance company.
I got my seatbelt on.
Got my anxiety high. Oh,
This man drove past one part so I come to another.
we got a cow here. Oh, he gon' really?
I know.
Really? Oh, I mean,
You know what we gotta do there, right?
we fit.
I'm about to get out. I'm gonna show you.
We fit.
Let me show you what we do.
Well, what we do?
What's wrong with you? Hey, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, Jace? Nah, I don't know. I'm retarded.
You look like you just came off High Street.
Somebody, y'all carry each of them, carry one of them. What the hell is that, a GoPro?
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel, so.
Oh my God, get me off of it.
You might be famous.
I already am.
Uh-oh.
You guys just don't know.
I hate you.
So what he's saying is he's married and got a side chick, and they both watch YouTube.
I'm out.
I'm divorced.
Oh, it happens.
Alright, get back in the car.
Fart before you get in the car.
I'm laughing. We got hit by a car. Right?
Chevrolet.
Oh.
O'Reilly. Auto parts. Ow!
All right, guys, we just got back. What are you doing?
Make sure the fire is warm.
Ah.
Jason, remember that day? After I bought this car and brought it back and we raced and I beat you and you ain't talked to me for like 2 days? I'm for real.
I was supposed to be King Daddy and then I lost.
See, alright, we didn't know my car had headed. So I brought it back to Alabama. The car sounded a little bit louder than stock. And we never could figure out why. Maybe it had a, X-pipe or something, we didn't know. Now I had long tube already with stock exhaust. And yeah.
That saved you
my best
about
friend
5
was
hours of
there.
work.
He didn't talk to me for 2 days. He thought I scammed him. I didn't know.
He had nitrous, you just didn't know it. Make sure that fire warm.
Yeah. Come on, Carlita. It wasn't even turned on. 3 back. Yep, runs just like a 3 back.
Look at Taylor out there. see you. It's Ruby. Oh.
What you doing?
You know how to piss a man off.
We're gonna get back to putting this thing back together. Poor car. I'm gonna lift and on the rack more than she on the ground. We went and picked up some pipe because it already had a rubber 90 that the original ProCharger blow-off valve mounted to, as y'all seen. So the new blow-off valve doesn't have the same size diameter as this. So we're going to make do what we can with what we bought until we can get a different pipe with no bung, so we can put our own bung or whatever in it to make it more secured. But this will do to get the car back on the ground because of the gender reveal Sunday. Because this is the car that will be doing the burnout to show you what the baby is. Well, if you don't get your butt over here and get to work. So,
Here we go.
yes, it's rigged, we know. But
That's how we do it in Athens, Alabama.
not on customer cars. But this is not a customer car.
We don't care about the looks, we care about the performance.
This is
Well, on
Fathead.
our own cars.
So that's Fathead's car. So, since they didn't give us any piping or anything to even try to fabricate up, we fabricate our own.
Rigged it
I
up.
don't know if y'all can see it up there, but
She nice and shiny.
it actually routed pretty good. And we can keep it away from everything, and it'll support itself, and we can put a strap around it and keep it away from moisture and the road.
That chimney over there.
Yeah. What are you? Never mind. I don't even want to know. So we're going to finish buttoning this up, get the vacuum on, and we will update you as soon as that's done. Meanwhile, Popeye over here with this pipe.
Let's hear this bad car. Cold start. Go out here and test it out. Somewhere in Mexico. You wanna go to Mexico? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Blow-off valve installation was a success. Next issue, traction.
Well, I mean, it's 30.
Well, yeah, it is 20 degrees outside in Alabama. What? No.